Key opportunities are new technology embedded in laptops, new fantastic services coming from Far East. We in Europe are maybe a little bit more conservative, so it would be nice to see something going up here. Technically, a lab for 4G mobile. Challenges are that wireless broadband is not new. We have HSDPA networks running, base stations in place, investment in place. So it'd be very interesting to see how these two go together. The most important terminals for Swisscom will certainly be in the beginning, like fixed wireless access things. This is where we would most probably start and go into this game. The view we have in order WiMAX to fulfill this universal service obligation, the customer cannot decide between fixed and mobile. He has DSL type of technology when he can have it, when our network allows for it, and he will have maybe WiMAX as an alternative, and then of course the price is the same. The first notebook computers with embedded WiMAX will appear already next year. I always thought like for a bigger volume we'll have to wait until 2009, and we'll be happy if we get it by then. In Korea there are already many handsets in the market, but it's not quite this type of WiMAX we want to have. We need another spectrum, we need a little bit different technology issues. I do believe that in the next year, 2007, we'll get WiMAX handsets, the first ones, and then it evolves. We have auctioned WiMAX or broadband wireless access license in the 3.5 GHz band in June this year. We were the only ones to go for such a license. We will most certainly deploy WiMAX at least what is required by the license, the broadband wireless access license. So we'll have a minimum required base station number by end of 2007. We'll have a minimum rollout until then. It's quite ambitious to do it until then, everything. And we'll go most certainly only for broadband wireless access in the fixed broadband area, and then see what comes next. That WiMAX will join Wi-Fi in order to be a driver towards many other things. It's a companion, it's not a competitor. WiMAX is in our company for sure a catalyst for fixed mobile convergent services. It has been considered as a convergent technology all over the time. The last 3 years when I dealt with WiMAX in Swisscom, we have, as Swisscom Fixednets, we had always very good contacts to Swisscom Mobile and did all the projects together. I'm sure that it will be so also in other companies.